BBQ fam. Today we're doing up a 6 bone-in pork roast on a rotisserie for the Weber 22-inch. We're running both baskets with charcoal, some chunks of cherry wood, and we're going to do this in about an hour and a half or so. We want the internal temp to rise up to about 135 degrees. Pull it, let it rest, and then slice into this. So let's score that fat cap, season it up with some Dirty Bird from Cosmos, and then we'll get this onto the Weber 22. We're going to load up those baskets with some pre-lit charcoal from a chimney, put the roast on, and get that rotisserie spinning. Oh, hell yeah. Check this out. So I resurrected the Weber Copper 22. Oh, hell yeah. We're getting this rotisserie on. It gave me a reason to clean up that grill. And it's something I've always wanted. I just never pulled the trigger. Found a good deal on Amazon. I got a link down below if you want to get one yourself. No extra money. It's just something that I just purchased myself. And we're going to find out if it works good enough to keep in the list. This pork loin roast looks amazing. It came pre-Frenched. Is that a word? Pre-Frenched? The bones were Frenched. That means that just some of the meat that was on it was taken off, so the bones are exposed. You could put little tinfoil caps on them. I don't care. This is barbecue. We're having some badass barbecue tonight. We'll check it at about a half an hour and then go from there every 15 minutes. But you don't want your temps to spike up to 500-600 degrees, because then we might dry this sucker out. But there is a beautiful fat cap on this guy. So let's get this thing lit up and put the spit on. This pork loin roast is done. We're temping, we're pulling, and we're going to get it off that spit, let it rest, and then slice into this. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, she got a little crispy. Oh yeah, it smells amazing in here. Yes, we are pretty dark on the bark, but see, that's what we're going for. Oh, hell yeah. The rotisserie kit from Only Fire on the Weber 22. That thing was smooth. It worked great. Might have had it a little too hot cooking, but so I would say the temp gauge on the front, it was really low compared to the temp gauge on the Weber on the hood. I don't know, but this pork loin roast looks amazing. It's a little dark on the outside, but a little bark is good for all of you barbecue fans. So we're letting it rest 10 minutes tented with some foil, and let's just check this out. A 6-bone in pork loin roast in 2 hours. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that guy. Let's glove up for the slice. Simple rub. What? Just one rub. Nothing else. No spritz. No basting. I was going to baste it with Kerrygold butter, but this thing was just sizzling and dripping, and the fat cap was amazing. So let's cut into it and see what we got. Holy hell. Whoa. Look at that. Get out of here. Wow. That's a monster piece. Hell yeah. Damn. Just, I don't even know. No words for this. This is just fabulous. Fabulous, that's the word. Yeah. Holy. Man. First time using a rotisserie. Based upon that chunk there, I'm going to say dial the temps back. I'm going to have to figure out an internal probe, because the one on this and the hood, it was just a little too hot, clearly. But I mean, look at the juice. Come on. Let's give a taste test of that guy. Holy. Yeah. That rocks. Simple. One rub. That's it. Fat cap, capped on, scored it. That's amazing. Damn. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. That rocks. I found a new thing that excites me about barbecue. That rotisserie from Only Fire. Oh, hell yeah. And I bought this. Not sponsored. Bought that. And it's the second thing I bought from Only Fire. I got the grill grates. With the center out. Good products. Oh, hell yeah. That's what we're doing over here. Hell yeah. That's money. Oh, hell yeah. Rotisserie, do it. We're doing it. Chicken soon, I bet. And some other crazy new cooks. I got some ideas. Damn. That's rocking.